Meaning of grace note.
Grace note.
Grace note.
Grace note.
Grace note. A grace note is a musical notation indicating a brief ornamentation or embellishment, often played very quickly and added as an extra flourish to the main melody. The grace note is typically not essential to the melody but adds interest and character to the music. Grace notes can be found in many genres of music, from classical to folk to pop. They are often used in conjunction with other performance techniques, such as vibrato or trills, and can help to convey the emotional content of the music. In essence, grace notes are small details that can make a big difference in musical expression.